Let us look at numbers. Toda kutarisa whole numbers. So we start with the objectives of this unit. By the end of this unit, you should be able to, number 1, read and write numbers in words and numerals. Number 2, give values of digits in a number. Number 3, express numbers in expanded notation or form. Number 4, count in ascending and descending order. Number 5, arrange numbers in order of magnitude. Number 6, identify prime numbers. Saka kana tapedza this unit, we are going to revert back. Tichadzoka kuma objectives to tick off kana tabata everything that is expected of us. So without talking much, let us look at the flashback. Satoda tanga taita flashback kuti tione kuti inofamba sei. So since this is grade 6 mathematics, zvinoreva kuti our flashback takes us to grade 5 and earlier. Kureva grade 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 maybe. Saka zvatikuda kuita panapa takatozvita already. Our flashback. Read the following numbers loudly to a friend or a group. Saka A number iyo inonzi chi. May you please read it loudly to your friend or to a group. Pa A tine 450. Pa B tine 778. Pa C tine 3000. Pa D tine 14,000. Pa E tine 35,000. Pa F tine 125,631. Pa G tine 800,000. Then lastly pa H tine 999,000. So I expect kuti zvimakatozviita uye I assume kuti it's assumed knowledge. Kana muine any problem with this particular part, you can use the comments and we can do a quick revision on it. Saka tapedza number 1, reading aloud the following numbers. Number 2, write the following numbers in digits. Saka number 2 ndo yachaita yakutonyora pasi. So this is our number 2. Saka we want to write those numbers in digits. Chekutanga tofanga kugona kuverenga manamba acho. Saka A yakati 33,400. So kana tichinyora inenge iri 33,400 like this. So maybe let me elaborate on that. Tine inonzi abacus yatakadzidza earlier grade 5 chidzika. Pa abacus yedu takadzidza kuti ku furthest right tinowana ma units. Tobva pama units tichienda kuma tens. Tobva pama tens tichienda pama hundreds. Tobva pama hundreds tichienda pama thousands. Then chabva pa 1000 tichienda pama tens of thousands like this. So kana tichiti 33,400 pam under tens of thousands chanesa 3, under thousands toesa futa another 3, then under hundreds toesa 4, then toesa 2 placeholders to form 33,400. So let us go to B. B yakati 580. So this is 580. 5 under hundreds, 8 under tens and 0 under units as a placeholder. Pasi apa pakati 9,020. So this is 9,020 like this. Ma placeholders ayakakosha 9,020. What about pa D? Pa D pakanzi 72,000 913. So this is 72,000 zvobva zvanzi 913 like this. 72,913. Then lastly pa e panapa 10,001. So it's 10,001 like this. So ndo manyorero atinoita. This is a flashback. Munofanirwa kugona kuzvinyora izvi. Kana muine any problem, don't hesitate to use the comment section to ask.